All right, class. This is a little public service announcement about how to properly turn in an assignment when it says to turn in the screenshot and the exported video file. So, right here, there's a student who created a folder. It's shared, and it's shared not with my email address, but just Fayette County Public Schools. This allows others to be able to peer review you, which you will be doing for a grade this year. So you must do Fayette County Public Schools, or once the peer review grade comes up and people say they can't access your video or your folders, um, that will affect your grade, not theirs. Okay. So once you've created that folder, this is how you get the link. You're going to need that here in a little bit. Okay. So you put your screenshot of your timeline. This is what I want to see down here. So I want to look at the different clips and see how you arrange them in Premiere Pro. And the finished file. Your name or initials on the name of the file is really helpful. Um, so that's easier for me to grade. And yeah, so put them in there, share with Fayette County, get the link. That link is what you will submit in Canvas. This message has been brought to you by the cinematography program.